Hey guys, as we move from spring into summer and the market slows down a little bit, right? Especially here in Yuma. Temperatures go up, kids are out of school, families are going on vacations, and the buyers just aren't quite as engaged in the market as they were through that strong spring market. So if you're wondering why your house isn't selling, or you're wondering how to get your house to sell quickly during this period, I'm going to give you 3 ideas that'll help you get it sold. Number 1, you've got to make sure that your price is right. You have to check the comparable sales, not only for those things that have just sold, but for your competition as it comes on the market throughout the summer. What we're going to see over the next several months is an increase in inventory, and you will have more competition. So really understanding the market is going to separate you from the rest of the people in the market. Number 2, assess your home's condition and its accessibility. Your home has to look good, and it has to be ready to show each and every time. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that you either have showing blocks for your house or that you always have it accessible so a buyer can see it when a buyer is ready to come through. And number 3 is you have to reassess your marketing strategy. Now, the marketing strategy during the pandemic, the very hot market of the pandemic, was just put a house on the market and it's sold. In today's market, you need to make sure that you have great online marketing, social media, and that you're reaching out and getting buyers' feedback, and you're engaging with the strongest buyers agents in the market. When you talk to an agent, if they aren't giving this to you, you may want to reconsider hiring that agent, or it may be time for you to switch and get a new one. If you have any questions about how to get your home sold quickly in the summer market, don't hesitate to reach out and give us a call, text, or email us. I'm Ed Sexton with the Sexton Property Group. Thanks for watching my video.